Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of OPPO A77 as a smartphone. This is the premium latest smartphone by OPPO. So now quickly open it up. So now quickly open it up. So you can see here we get this small box. If we see inside it, so here we get the SIM ejector pin, and here some warranty card and reading manuals are also available. And this is the here you can see this is the transparent back case you get in the box. Okay, and guys, here's the phone itself. Here you can see here's the phone itself. If we say it, so here you can see here's the phone itself. Up to 5 GB extended RAM technology, 33-watt superbook fast charge, 50 megapixel AI dual camera setup, and ultra linear stereo speaker. Okay, we come to the phone later. It's in a steady black color. We come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the 33-watt fast. So here you can see here we get the 33-watt superbook fast charge in the box, and this is the USB Type C to USB cable you get in the box. Okay, that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here you can see here's the phone itself. Now remove its plastic cover. So here you can see here's the phone itself. Guys, it is in a steady black color, and if we talk about the design, it is classic OPPO glow design, all new elegant feel. Here you can see the all new elegant feel the premium sparkle finish over there. You can feel the sparkle finish over there. You can see. And if we talk about it weight, it's a 187 gram, and the thickness of the phone is 8 mm. It is a slim phone. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get nothing, and on bottom we get the 3.5 mm headphone jack, dual main microphone, USB Type C port, and this is the ultra linear speaker. One speaker over there and one speaker over here. Here we get the ultra linear stereo speaker in this phone, which will double your entertainment. And if we talk about the back, here we get the 50 megapixel AI dual rear camera. This is the bokeh portrait camera over there. And here we get the dual LED flash over there. You can see. Here we get the dual LED flash. Here you can see 50 megapixel AI dual cam. And on front it has 6.56 inches HD plus 90 Hz ultra smooth color rich display with 8 megapixel front camera. Okay, and over there we get the volume up and down key, and this is the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So this is a really good thing. It has triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And on this side we get the side mounted fingerprint with power on off key. Okay, so that's all we get. So now quickly boot this up and set up the device. As you can see, I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of OPPO A77 as a smartphone. If we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top, we get the notification center. Helpful quick settings are also available there. And guys, it has a 90 Hz ultra smooth color rich display. So if we check its display performance, quickly check this out. So as you can see, guys, yep, display is running really smooth. You can see display is running really smooth. You can see. If we talk about its display, you can see it's running really smooth. Yep, the display is running really smooth. Okay, and if we go in settings, just quickly check out about device. So here you can see device name, and if we talk about the storage, you can see 24.4 GB used out of 128 GB, and the processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 686 nm octa-core processor, and here you can see the model, and the ColorOS version is 12.1. And if we talk about the RAM, here you can see RAM. Here we get the 8 plus 5 GB extended RAM technology in this phone, which is a really good thing. And if we talk about the Android version, it is running on latest Android 12. And the Android security update is of 5 August 2022. And here we get the version, legal information, and status information. So as you can see, guys, if we talk about the UI of this device, it is running really ultra smooth. Here you can see. Yep, no doubt, it's running really smooth. Okay, now after it, if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with OPPO A77s smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. After it, if we talk about its ultra, yes, if we talk about its ultra linear stereo speaker performance, so quickly check this out. If we go in sound and notifications, and if we check here, so you can see. Yep, guys, it will double your entertainment. The ultra linear stereo speaker performance is really good. And after it, if we talk about its security, if we talk about its security, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock for better security. So quickly check this out. I put finger and it unlocks the phone. You can see I put and it unlocked the phone. So you can see the side mounted fingerprint is really fast and responsive. And if we talk about the face unlock performance, I look and it unlocks the device. So you can see I look at the phone and it quickly unlocked the phone. You can see I look and it quickly unlocked the device. So here you can see both are really fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO A77s smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.